Hey guys, it's Chris. I have been testing this really cool new product called Staxio that builds custom Google Drive stacks on steroids. This software is 100% automated. You simply fill in a few boxes, and this software builds out some of the most beautiful drive stacks that I've ever seen. I'm not kidding, guys. I have literally paid anywhere from $200 to nearly $400 from an I won't name the place, but I have a place that I normally spend between $200 to $400 for a single drive stack that I can now build on my own in a mere minutes. And guess what? Totally automated, guys. I can do it on my own. I literally, I'm just excited to show this to you guys. The best part is this is dirt cheap. In fact, when I show you the price of this or tell you the price of this, you're going to be shocked at how little this costs right now and what this can do for you guys all on autopilot. And because I was one of the first people to actually test this out and get involved, I've got a backdoor. It's special for you guys where you're going to lock in a special discounted rate. And I believe right now for you guys, if you get in early through my link, it's only 47 bucks a month. And you guys can instantly make that back, guys. Like I said, instantly make that back on a single drive stack. I have paid ridiculous amounts of money to do what I'm about to show you all on autopilot. Okay? So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm going to go through this. This is actually the Staxio backend. So once you've made your purchase, once you've gotten inside, this is where it all begins. This is where it starts. You'll see on the left hand side we've got a bunch of options. I'm going to go through some of these and I'm going to talk about them. I'm going to show you actually a demo site that I did for Staxio. I've done this. This is a really cool drive stack. Got all this nice, look at this. It's all related. Got this nice little drop down here with even more stacking going on, but let's show you what it does top to bottom. So up here, this is where you can place an image, a logo, a call to action. Down here we've got a link to the property. We've got a table of contents that when clicked, that takes you straight into the content that's created. But look at that. Now we've got a nice article in there with some embeds, all the linking done for us. Another embed. Excuse me. This thing takes all of the different properties and things and automatically generates a unique drive stack for you, including Google Calendars, Google Forms, literally everything all on autopilot, guys. Here's some embeds that I've done. Now don't worry about this. Sometimes YouTube refuses to connect. It's not a big deal. You can see that the YouTube videos do embed. Google still knows what's there, even though sometimes it may not display. And we've got a Google map and a weather widget. Those are great for local clients, guys, okay? Let me go ahead and show you exactly what I did to create that. And you can create even more complex drives, but I just wanted to show you guys the very basics for now and get you guys in and excited about using Staxio for your clients, for yourself, for affiliate products, for launch jacking, whatever. Staxio's got your back. All right. So the first thing you do, this is where you always start, is the GStacks Builder. This is where you're going to come in and you're going to think about what it is you're trying to rank for, whatever your keywords are, and build it with inside Staxio. So I always recommend that you follow the instructions. It's so simple, guys. Whatever your best keyword is, the number one keyword you want to rank for, or your brand, you can put that in here in the top field. So in that example, I did something like Staxio Google Drive. If I can make sure it doesn't format wrong. I think I did software. What I typically do is I'll come in and do something like that where I'll put a main keyword hyphen and then brand. All right, and that's what I like doing with my stuff. But guys, don't overthink it. Don't worry about what you're putting in there. You can literally not mess up with Staxio. It does not matter. Don't just get something out there and run with it. You can come back and keep on building and building and building. So typically, again, the main keyword you're trying to rank for, and I'll put in a hyphen or whatever the brand next to it, or I'll just do brand, or I'll just do the keyword. Doesn't matter. In there, you want to put in the money site. Now, what the money site is, it could be your client's website. It's basically it could be your affiliate link. Wherever you want to drive traffic to, wherever you want to send the relevancy to, that's what you put in this box here. All right. Now, in the beginning, when I first started with Staxio, Um, I don't know if this was a bug in the beginning. I don't know if it's meant to do it this way. I haven't actually clarified that, but you will see in this table of contents here how these are all linked together nicely. When I was first testing this out, whatever I put in this box here was not being linked to here. So maybe it was an error, maybe it was something else. But what I do now is I typically, that gets generated in this article scraper. Okay, so typically what I'll do is I'll either come in here and just do one. I mean, you could do whatever, but um, I might do something like this. Let's do something like that. And I'll just fill in one keyword and then come down here. The business name, business address, phone, latitude, longitude, these are things that actually get played out on that thing. So the latitude and longitude, that will tie into these two things right here. It'll build out the map, it'll find the weather. That's good for local clients. However, you don't need to fill any of this out, or you can just fill in the business name. So you can actually take something like this. I'll copy that and put that right there. We don't need to worry about address. We don't need to worry about phone. Unless this is a local client or something you're trying to rank for on a local level or national level, you can leave that all blank. It doesn't matter. You can even go back after it's all built out and fix it and pretty it up. I mean, these things can be used as money sites, guys. Okay, things that you want to rank for as a money site. What I do is, in this particular case, being that it's an affiliate product and it's brand new, there's no content out there, and I didn't have anything that I could use for it. So what I did was I went to the page that was built out for me, and I literally just stuck that article in there and used that. It really does not matter, guys. You can have this. You can um, go to any tool that you want and have it automatically generated. If you guys have a favorite content tool, if you've got a writer, it doesn't matter. Stick something in there and then move on. Okay, down here with the YouTube videos, if you do not or your client does not have videos, do not worry about that. Okay, I literally do not worry about the videos. I will borrow other people's videos. I will borrow competitor videos. I don't care. What I care about is getting relevant content on these drive stacks. That is all I care about. The traffic is going to go to my properties. I don't care if I'm putting in someone else's video to get that relevancy and that page indexed. Okay, I really don't care. I'll throw in the videos in there. If they're yours, even better, because all that relevancy and all that stuff is going to stay within your properties or your client's properties. So toss those in there. And down here with the logo and call to action, this is really simple. And all you would need to do to have a banner like this show up, let me go back up to the top, is upload an image to your Google Drive stack, and then when you've uploaded it, you'll see that it'll have like an ID, something similar to this. And you would literally copy that and just paste out in that ID in there, tell it how big, how wide, and then hit go. Okay. For this example, I do not have one, but again, any of these things that you may leave blank or make a mistake on, you can easily go back and fix once the process is done. You got a lot of options, guys. I typically, when I'm doing my drive stacks, I will use Google Images, and I've used them all. I've actually tested all of these, but I usually do this for now. The Drive Calendar, YouTube videos, Google Drive Stack, Microsoft, and PDF. What all these do is they will go to YouTube, it'll grab images, it'll add these to your Google Calendar, it will build YouTube videos, it'll actually go to YouTube and get related videos for you for the inside of your pages. It'll create Google Docs for the keywords. You can read all about that, guys. And it's literally as simple as clicking Start Staxio Builder. And once that's done, you'll get a message down here that says success, and it'll give you a couple links to everything it's built out, and then we move on from there. Once this is all built out, the next thing that I do is I come over here to Article Scraper. Click on that, give it a second for it to load. You'll notice that everything is pretty much the same. Now, like I said, once we've started here at the GStacks Builder and we move on to the article scraper, this is what's going to build out all the content using this table of contents and put it all together for us. So this is where I put the other keywords that I want to rank for. All right. So again, the folder name is simple. When you create this, you'll go into drive.google.com. You'll just note the folder name that you input in that very first step, and enter it here, or you can just it'll be basically what you put in here. Again, add the money site link. If I can click in there we go. Add the money site link that you want, your keywords. It's literally the same as we had before. The only difference is this little place down here where it says Google Sheet. Now the Google Sheet ID is, again, once you've built this, you'll see that there is a Google Sheet that has all the information for the project. And again, that's given to you in this step here. All you do is simply add in the ID the same way that you would do for the logo. Add that in there, select the options on the right here, and click Start the Article Scraper. When that is done, then you move on to the G-Sites Builder. The G-Sites Builder is putting it all together, all the content, all the stuff that it's created on the back end, and making it into this nice, beautiful Google Drive stack off of the Google site. All right. So again, go in here to the Google Sites Builder. All right. So I've got a couple demo sites that I put up here. And again, I mean, it's really simple. You'll input the Google Sheet ID. You can add schema code, you can add iframe embeds, you can add link embeds, literally, and just hit Start G-Sites Builder. In a matter of minutes, it puts all this together for you on autopilot. From there, you'll see you have some extra pages that you can actually build out. Now those are really interesting. That's what builds out these, like your latest news, your latest links, your latest files, latest events, that type of stuff. Okay, so you'll come in here and you do one at a time. I start it from the top and just work my way down. File cabinet, build extra page, list page, build extra page, announcement page. And then once all that's done, you come back up, you click the link that takes you off, and that's the one that's this one here, guys. And it builds out these beautiful Google Drive stacks. It's amazing what this thing can do, guys. If there's ever something that doesn't work right, or let's say you want to take something out, it's really simple to do. If you're logged into the account, there'll be an icon up here where you can click edit. You can go down and select any one of these modules and edit at your will. Make this thing as pretty as you want. Make it as basic as you want. Make it as complex as you want. Doesn't matter. You cannot go wrong with Staxio, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I plan on making a lot more videos just like this for you guys to show you different ideas, different ways of using Staxio to your advantage. If you guys have any questions, if you have any comments, post those below. Get in touch with me. I hope to see you guys on the inside.